Welcome back to Easy Step English. This is our fourth episode, and we're happy you're here with us in the studio. Again.
And I'm Laura. I'm so glad you came back to go on another English adventure with us.
Today's topic is the bank. Money, accounts, and simple English you can really use.
Money in banks can feel scary, even for native speakers. For English learners, it can feel extra scary.
But don't worry, we'll keep our English easy and clear. Just a few strong sentences. That's all you need.
Let's start with some key words. Bank, account, cash, card, teller. That's the person at the counter.
And ATM, the cash machine outside. You can take money out or put money in.
There is also online banking, using your phone or computer instead of the building.
Okay, picture this. You walk into the bank. You see a line of people and a sign that says, "Please wait here."
You hear printer sounds, quiet voices, and maybe soft music. It feels a little serious.
You're a little nervous. Your English is not perfect. That's okay. You only need a few strong phrases.
For example, "Hello, I'd like to open an account." That sentence is very powerful.
Or, "Hello, I need to deposit cash." Deposit means put money in your account.
And withdraw means take money out. So you can say, "I'd like to withdraw $40.
Let's do a small mini story. Yesterday, I went to the bank with some cash in my pocket. I felt nervous. Is my English good enough?
You step up to the counter. The teller smiles and says, "Hi, how can I help you today?"
I say, "Hello, I'd like to deposit this cash into my checking account."
The teller says, "No problem. Do you have your ID?" ID means your identification, like a passport or driver's license.
I give my ID and my card. The teller types on the computer, then says, "All set. Anything else today?"
You answer, "No, that's all. Thank you." Short, simple, polite.
Now, let's practice some important questions. I'll say them slowly, then you can repeat.
"Excuse me, where is the ATM?" Very useful in a new city or a new country.
Can you help me open an account?
What is the minimum balance? That means how much money must stay in the account.
What is the fee? A fee is extra money you pay to the bank.
You can also ask, "Is there a monthly fee?" Or, "Is there a fee for the ATM?"
If you don't understand, you can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Or, "Can you speak more slowly, please?"
Those sentences are like a small shield for you. They protect you when English is too fast.
Let's practice a short dialogue. I'll be the customer. Laura, you be the teller.
Sure. "Hello, how can I help you today?"
Hello, I'd like to open a savings account.
Sure. Do you have an ID and proof of address? Proof of address can be a bill or a letter with your name and address.
Yes, here is my passport and my phone bill.
Great. Please fill out this form, then sign at the bottom.
That's it. Our listeners can pause and repeat that little scene.
You can even write it down, then practice with a friend or in front of a mirror.
Another very helpful phrase. Can you please write that down for me?
Or, "Can you show me the total on paper?" This helps when numbers are hard to hear.
Some people feel shy about money, but remember, it's okay to ask questions.
Bank workers answer questions all day. Your question is normal, not strange.
And if you make a mistake, you can say, "Sorry, I'm learning English." Most people will smile and slow down.
Yes, many people feel happy when you try to use their language.
So, bank, account, ATM, deposit, withdraw, fee. These are your new money words.
And your new power sentences help you feel calm and confident in the bank.
We're here in the studio cheering for you. Step by step, your English and your money words are getting stronger.
See you in the next episode. Be sure to watch again and practice.